Hey guys, I'm Jill Powell and today I'm going to show you how to do this amazing smoky winged liner. We're starting off with a basic winged liner, so to start with this look you need to watch my winged liner video, which is in the link in the description, and we're going to build off that to create this smoky winged liner look. Okay, so you have to start this look out with a winged liner. Right now I have on liquid liner, but any winged liner, and create your shape, whatever is best for your eye shape. And now I'm going in with a dark brown pencil. So the reason why I chose brown, it's a little bit softer and you're gonna get a nicer gradation rather than trying to blend out black. I always find that brown gives it a nicer, softer look. So I'm gonna take a brown liner, this one is Sephora Collection Waterproof, and I'm just gonna go right along the top edge of my winged liner on the outside, starting about a quarter of the way in on your lid out to that wing. Now before it dries, you need to grab a smudge brush. So this one is a Sephora Collection smudge brush, and I'm just gonna start blending the edges of that liner so that I get a nice soft edge. And I'm starting with a harder pressure and then I'm lightening it up as I go up and out because I want that top edge to be nice and smoky. So now that I have that, I'm gonna fill in just a tiny bit more right here. You see how that's creating that shape? And then I'm just gonna softly blend with the smudge brush. So now that you have your smoky brown on top, I want you to take the same smudge brush with a dark brown shadow. This one is Dystopian from the Anastasia Sultry palette, one of my all-time faves. So Dystopian's like a really dark kind of black brown color, but any dark brown shadow, and I'm gonna start right at the lash line and press in. You see I'm just pressing and a slight wiggle, basically setting that pencil and slowly pulling up. Okay, so I'm taking a second round of that Dystopian, and again, just pressing right on top. And the reason why I'm layering liner and shadow, because I wanna get that really soft, smoky look. So now we're gonna take like a smaller blending brush and just blend that edge. So the liner's on there because it's waterproof, and now we're just blending a little bit of that shadow so that it creates that nice, soft, smoky look. Look how cool that looks. Last little layer to perfect. Bringing that shadow in just a little bit, up through that wing, kind of into my little deep set crease right there. And blend, blend, blend so that that top edge is really soft. You could, if you want, add a little bit of shimmer on top of that to create even more smokiness. I kind of like the just matte. What should I do? Decisions. I'm gonna go in one more time with this dark brown actually, just to make sure that it's nice and rich. And back with my smudge brush. I like to layer things because I feel like it helps with longevity. And I really want this shape to stay. So do you see how I'm pulling back and kind of going closer to the mirror? That really helps you to see what it's gonna look like from far away. So yeah, you can keep it like this, or if you really want to, take a little bit of a shimmery brown and just go right along that top edge. I'm gonna leave it matte, so I'm gonna leave that up to you and you can decide what you wanna do. Last two steps, if you didn't do the shimmer, you can always go over with like a neutral color just to blend it. So this is the Naked Heat palette, and I'm gonna use the color Sauced, and I'm actually gonna use a new brush. Let's do a MAC 217. So taking a little bit of Sauced, you can just go slightly over the edge because that's gonna give, again, like a more perfect gradation of color. Blending from that black to that dark brown to like almost like a crease color, and just help softening everything. It's all about blending and getting that really nice finish. just a tiny bit on that very edge, just for some dimension. And pulling that out. And then you can always finish it up with a little bit of liquid liner right at the bottom, just to perfect it one more time. So I'm going to take my new Haus Laboratory and just go right along that bottom edge so that you have a really nice crisp line on the bottom. But then it smokes out to that gradated brown. All done. Thanks again for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next. All of the products used in my video are also linked below. And if you want to see more, follow me anywhere at Jill Powell Glam. Thanks again.